We'll also get you details of what's happening when it comes to the BJP and the JDU's equation. It's important to tell our viewers at this point of time that leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party right now, especially after leaders of Congress are saying that they are in touch with Naidu and Nitish, leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are also placing their confidence in Nitish Kumar, and that's the next big breaking news that we are getting, and a big reaction coming in from Rajiv Pratap Rudy. He goes on to say that Nitish Kumar is going to play, he has a key role to play in the NDA, and we are partners both in Bihar and in Delhi, and he's a strong ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So both sides on an overdrive to woo Nitish Kumar. Listen into that reaction coming in from Rajiv Pratap Rudy.
We are right now being joined by senior BJP leader and BJP MP elect Rajiv Pratap Rudy. Sir, it was a very tough fight over there, but you have been yeah, exactly, sir. Multiple number of times you have been a member of parliament, you have been a minister. How do you see this win, sir?
Well, I think it is important because contesting against Laluji's family is always a big news. But getting re-elected for the third time is another big news, and that too in a constituency like Bihar. But having said that, I had great faith in the people of my constituency, and they have re-elected me. And I think in future also I'm there to serve them. So this is absolutely normal.
Sir, now you talked about that how third term is important. Now, when we talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third term, yes, BJP is the single largest party, but yes, they're short of the mandate. But yes, the NDA has a simple mandate. How do you see this? How do you see the things going
forward? The majority is there for the NDA, yes, and I think it's going to work very well, and we'll have a very powerful and a strong government.
So Nitish Kumar holds the key over here. He's in Delhi. The NDA meeting will take place in some time from now. How do you see this role of Nitish Kumar? Because the opposition parties
will have a very important role,
yes,
and he is playing a very important role in Bihar. We are a partner in the government, in the state government of Bihar. And that is what is going to happen in Delhi. And he is a very strong partner of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
So one last question. You have been with the Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government. You are an old, very senior and old leader. You have been a minister earlier. Now this coalition politics, how do you see it going forward? Because the numbers are with the NDA. Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, they have been earlier with the NDA. How do you see the situation going on? Do you think they will stick with the NDA?
It would be very positive for the country.
Yes, sir. So that was Rajiv Pratap Rudy speaking to us, and clearly saying that they believe Nitish Kumar will be with the NDA in future. With video journalist Vadim Mohit Bhatt for Times Now in Delhi.
And there you heard Bharatiya Janata Party's MP-elect Rajiv Pratap Rudy, who defeated Rohini Acharya, Lalu Prasad's daughter, in the seat of Saran, going on to say that JDU or Nitish Kumar is a very important ally of the NDA. On your screens currently are two pictures, and these pictures are also sparking a buzz. On one hand, you have the picture of Nitish Kumar and Tejaswi, who took the same flight to come to Delhi. Nitish for the NDA meeting and Tejaswi for the INDIA meeting. They were sitting, one in front of the other, and the other on the seat that was behind Nitish Kumar, that was Tejaswi Yadav. In the next picture, as the flight took off, the seats changed. Tejaswi Yadav came and sat next to Nitish Kumar. Did they have a conversation? Of course they did. What was it about? We are yet to know, because when Tejaswi Yadav landed, he was asked a question by the media. He was asked, what did you talk to Nitish about? He said, Aage aage dekhiye, kya hota hai? Let's listen in. And that's what Nitish Kumar said, Sarkar to banegi hi. Assurances are coming in from both the JDU and the TDP that they are very much with the NDA. But sources are telling Times Now that leaders of the INDIA are sending feelers. They're trying to tell Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, trying to get them on their side. But publicly, both the JDU and the TDP have given their assurances. And the meeting is currently underway, and that's what we've been hearing. Let's once again, for our viewers, play out that reaction of Nitish Kumar that came in after he landed in the national capital. Let's play that out. Now, allies of the Bharatiya Janata Party are making numerous demands. But those are the pictures on your screens that have, in fact, many are talking about these pictures. Look at that on your screens. When the flight took off, Nitish Kumar was sitting in the seat that was right in front of Tejasvi. When that was when they had boarded the flight. But when the flight took off, they were sitting together. What happened? What was that conversation about? We'll tell you more about that. But now let's tell you about the demands that are being made by each ally. When it comes to the TDP, for instance, sources are telling us they want the Lok Sabha Speaker's position along with 3 cabinet berths and 2 MOS berths. Naidu's party also has its preferences. Road transport, urban housing and rural development, that's what sources are telling us. These are the portfolios that they are eyeing. Now, when it comes to the JDU, as per sources in the JDU camp, the JDU also wants 3 cabinet berths and 2 MOS berths. Let's tell you what Eknath Shinde is demanding. As per sources in the Eknath Shinde camp, they also want 1 cabinet berth and 2 MOS berths. Chirag Paswan's LJP also seeking, as per sources, 1 cabinet berth and 1 MOS berth. Jitan Ram Manjhi too of the HAM also wanting 1 cabinet berth for his singular seats. Now, this is what we've been scooping from our sources. Now, let's listen into some of the other NDA leaders as well, as the focus is on what's going to happen in both the NDA meeting and the INDIA meeting today.
ये मोदी जी को पूरी तरह जितनी मेजोरिटी के लिए सांसद लगते हैं, संख्या लगती है, उतनी पूरी हो चुकी है, उससे ज्यादा है। और एनडीए की सरकार मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में बनेगी। उनका मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं और उनको आज मैं समर्थन देने यहाँ पर आया हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देने आया हूँ। जिनके पास मेजॉरिटी नहीं है वो सरकार बनाने की बात करते हैं, ये तो मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने हैं। और सामने वाले जो थे विपक्ष वाले इंडिया लाइन, उनको एक ही था, मोदी हटाओ, मोदी हटाओ, मोदी हराओ।
और एनडीए का बिहार में जो प्रदर्शन रहा है उसका बड़ा श्रेय जहां एक तरफ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व को जाता है, तो वहीं उसका श्रेय मेरे मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी को भी जाता है।
जितना बहुमत हम लोग सोचा था एनडीए को आएगा, अभी तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है। हो सकता है हम लोग 305, 308, 310 तक आ जाएं। बावजूद उसके हर हालत में हम सोचते हैं कि नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी भारत के प्रधानमंत्री बने और उसमें मेरा सहयोग, प्रबल सहयोग होगा। एक ही सीट का ही क्यों न हो, हर तरह से हम नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी को भारत का अगला बार, तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनने के लिए हम सहयोग करेंगे।
And we're going to keep a sharp focus on those high-power meetings in the NDA camp and the INDIA camp. Taking a short break here on Times Now, we'll be back with more big updates.